Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the professor and associate professor vacancies notifications from the multiple government universities. And here I am going to show you the advertisements from the 4 different types of government universities, guys. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. And here few universities are offering the consolidated pay scale with 50,000 and few universities are offering the assistant professor level 10 category, that is your salary might be in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please put your subjects in the comment section. Based upon that one, I will come up with the next video if any requirements are there. Okay, so please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the recruitment notifications. Okay, and please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing tab. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. While coming to the present content of the video, the first university we are going to see here is the University of Delhi. So here the Department of Physics and Astrophysics and advertisement for the post of guest faculty. The Department of Physics and Astrophysics intends to appoint up to 26 guest faculty, unreserved 9, OBC 7, SC 5, ST 3 and EWS 2 in the following areas of theory and laboratory teaching for the academic semester beginning on 1st September 2021. And here the theory courses as well as the experimental courses, both these two are mentioned here. And whoever the eligible candidates are there are invited to send their application as per the attached pro forma along with the CV and all relevant documents in one PDF file only. And application by email with multiple files will not be accepted. And one can send a hard copy addressed to the Head Department of Physics and Astrophysics, University of Delhi, to be delivered by the 13th August 2021. And the candidate must either reside in NCR area, or if selected must move to reside in the NCR area, since classes may take place in the in-person mode too. Right? And coming to the eligibility conditions, here PhD is mandatory, guys. The minimum qualification PhD in physics from a UGC recognized university. The candidate should fulfill the latest UGC notified and as adopted by the University of Delhi for the position of assistant professor. And the candidates who are already enrolled with ad hoc panel of the Department of Physics and Astrophysics, University of Delhi, can also be considered for the interview. Fine. So these are the things given here, and application along with CV may be sent to the Head Department of Physics and Astrophysics, University of Delhi by 13th August 2021. At the following email address also as a single PDF file, documents@physics.du.ac.in. Okay, fine. And coming to the next one, the next university is University of Delhi. So here the advertisement for the guest position, and applications are invited for the position of guest faculty on temporary basis as per the specializations given below. So OBC 1 position, and guest faculty, the specialization, any specialization in Indian history, ability to teach the ancient Indian history and approaches to world history. And coming to the qualification, MA in history with minimum 55% of marks and qualified in the NET examination. And the terms and conditions are given here. The tenure, the appointment is purely temporary and will be from August to December 2021. And emoluments 1500 rupees per lecture, subject to maximum of 50,000 rupees per month. Okay. And the candidates meeting the above criteria can send their biodata to the Head Department of History, School of Social Sciences, University of Hyderabad, Gachibowli, Hyderabad, on or before 5 p.m. 10th August 2021. And here the email ID is also provided. The shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview within a week after 10th August. Right? So it is a notification from the University of Hyderabad. And coming to the next one, the Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. So here also the associate professor and assistant professor vacancies are there. So for this one also the PhD is required. Yeah, the professor and assistant professor vacancies. And here the School of Defense Technology, MTech or postgraduate level specializations mentioned here. And coming to the assistant professor, robotics and applied mathematics and physics, and Electronics Engineering, School of Quantum Technology, Metallurgical and Material Engineering. So on these departments the vacancies are there. And coming to the minimum qualification for the professor, anyhow PhD is mandatory. Coming to the assistant professor, also the PhD in the relevant subject with a master's degree and a bachelor's degree with at least 55% of marks is mentioned. Fine. And the relaxation of 5% is there at the graduate and the master's level of the SC, ST and differently abled categories for the purpose of eligibility. And the few more points are given here, so you please check down, guys. I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. And the terms of engagement of professor on contract basis, as well as the pay and allowance for the assistant professor given here, academic pay level 10. Okay, and application fees 500 rupees. So you have to take the crossed DD drawn in favor of Vice Chancellor DIIT Pune, payable at State Bank of India, Girinagar branch Pune, duly enclosed along with the application before 31st August 2021. Okay, and no fee for PWD, SC, ST and women candidates of any community. No fee exemption is available to the general OBC and EWS male candidates, and they are required to pay the full prescribed fee. Okay, bank details are given here and how to apply is also given here, so you please check down. Anyhow, I will provide the link in the description box of this video. And coming to the next one is Adikavi Nannaya University. Okay, so from this university, here we got the recruitment notification. Okay, just click on the jobs here, and then applications are invited for the post of backlog associate or assistant professor. Just click on that one and then you will be directed to here, backlog recruitment notification. So filled in applications along with registration fee 500 rupees paid by way of demand draft drawn in favor of Registrar Adikavi Nannaya University, Rajamahendravaram, should reach the undersigned honor before 31st August 2021. And here the associate and assistant professor vacancies are there. Coming to the associate management studies, chemistry and mathematics, and in assistant professor economics, okay, one post is there under the SC category, and the last date for submission of application is 31st August 2021. Okay, and few points are mentioned here, so you please check down. Coming to the eligibility qualifications, for the associate professor PhD is mandatory, and coming to the assistant professor, good academic record is defined by concerned university with at least 55% of marks at the master's degree level. And apart from that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or CSIR NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. So these are the qualifications required. Anyhow, for economics post is there under the assistant professor vacancies. And the few more points are given here. Okay, you please check down, and I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. So here the application form is also kept in this PDF itself. Fine. So finally, these are the different recruitment notifications. One is from Adikavi Nannaya University, and second one is from the Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Next one is from University of Hyderabad, and next one is from University of Delhi. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities with these qualifications. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you want, you may listen, or else you may close the video here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.